morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is AA320N, and with me is Okay, so we'll be showing you how to operate AA stepwisely. Okay, and here is our machine. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce you to our standard, the standard that we'll be working with. So we have 2
ppm concentration,
okay,
4 ppm and 6 ppm.
Thank you, respectively.
Yes.
Okay. And here is our sample.
Yes, sample solution.
Okay. So to keep our sample tube safe, we have distilled water in here, and this is our beaker. Okay, follow us on this journey. Yes. So the first thing is you put on our equipment right here.
Yes.
The switch is here. Cameraman, can you please? Okay. You put it on. Okay, that's the first one. And the second one is our lamp, almighty lamp compartment. This is our lamp, and this is our lamp switch. So you put it on. You can see the lights.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cover it.
You cover it up. And this is our hair compressor. So we also put it on. You can see the movement here. Gauge and the gauge. Thank you. So these two buttons, one is ignition, while the other one is on and off button. Before you use ignition button, you have to put on your
on button.
On
yes.
button. So you can see the sound. Okay. So here is our gas cylinder. So it's on. Okay. And the next thing is to ignite. Can you see that? Perfect. Okay. So now, before we proceed to the analysis, we have to input some details into our readout session. Okay. So starting from the type of lamp that we're working with, which is going to tell us the metal that we are working with, and that is from F1. Okay, you can see we are working with copper lamp. Okay, so we are done with that, and the next thing is F2. Okay, so here we have the standard. What's that?
Yes, the signal.
The signal,
yes.
The wavelength,
and the high voltage.
High voltage, sorry, and the wavelength. Okay, so since we are working with copper, yes. And the wavelength is what? This is okay.
324.7. And the voltage is 220.
Okay. So here you can see these are the wavelength of different metals that we might be working with. Okay, but for today we are actually working with copper, and the wavelength is 324.7. okay, using hair flame. Okay, so now ideally, we can work with 200 volts or 220. But since 200 is still perfect, why not start with 200? Since we can actually work with 200. And our wavelength is 324. So actually, it is ignorable. So then we now move this.
Enter.
Okay, and the next one is
our kit.
You press
positive. Positive
you
sign.
okay, you press positive. You can see. And we are expected to work.
I forgot something.
Okay.
We can also go to 220 to increase the sensitivity level.
Okay.
Because it's still less than 50.
Less than 50. Okay. using already.
Let's see.
Yes.
So we are expected to work within the range of 80 to
5.
85, and as you can see, we already have,
We are not able to get full
of course, even our weather can contribute to it, because where they made this equipment, I'm sure their weather is far different from our own weather, but we are good to go. So the next one is F3. Okay, this is mode. The D2, that's how it's supposed to be. The flame,